Oh my god. Hi.
Welcome.
Welcome back. I'm sorry for the noise in the back.
Welcome back to Emma's and Puppy's channel. Today we're going to be opening one of these. I'm so excited.
Wow.
Okay. Anyway,
Has a note. Has a note. Has a note. Okay. Okay, black is rare. Light green is common. And I don't care.
And the light green is common, purple is popular, and super rare, or dark green is super rare. Okay. So this one, the first one we got is common.
Oh, wow. Oh, very interesting.
Open this up quickly.
What'd you get? Show me.
Ooh, we got a circle homemade poppet.
Oh, wow, that's so neat. How does it pop?
Amazing. Okay, let's open the next one.
I want to pick.
Okay, you pick. I'll open it.
Oh, let's see what I get.
What'd you get? You got popular.
Oh, I can't wait. What's inside? Because I can't reach it right now. I'm holding the camera.
You got a square poppet.
Let me feel it.
These are amazing.
Oh, dude.
Show the camera.
Oh my god, look, guys.
So amazing. We'll pop them at the end. Seems like there's two more in here. Okay. This one is rare.
Okay.
What's this one?
I guess I'll pick the last one. Oh my god.
A simple dimple.
A simple dimple? Oh my god, that's so cool. Well, let's see what's else in here.
I think it's the last thing, so just dump it out. Put it up. Seems like you got super rare.
Oh wait. No way.
Okay.
Open it for me, please.
Yeah.
I'm holding the camera.
Let's see.
What's inside?
I don't know.
It looks like it's taped.
Really good. Christmas present. It's a real pop.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
This is not the homemade ones. Compared. Oh my goodness.
Compare, guys. Oh my god.
Fake one compared to a real one.
How does it pop? How does it pop? Okay, that's...
Okay, ready?
I think that's the bad side. Oh, that's the good side. Oh my god. That's bad side.
So,
there it is, right there.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification. Bye, guys.